Hi, I'm Dr. Rigby from Isilda International Virtual Academy. And right now, I wanted to sit with you to go over courses and graduation requirements for school year 2020 through 2021. And this is basically for students in grades 9 through 12. So let's get a full screen started here. All right, so basically, we're looking at the graduation requirements, and I'm going to go ahead and hide this now so that you can get a full view of the screen, okay? All right, let's get started then. All right, so the graduation requirements for IsildaIVA Virtual Academy is 24 to 26 credits, and all that depends on one of the four education tracks. So we have the certificate track, the general diploma, advanced diploma, and advanced plus diploma, okay? These are four different tracks you can do, and you choose one. Most students start right here and then decide if they're going to go to the left or to the right. So within these 24 to 26 credits, all students must finish a minimum of 24 credits. And here are the required core classes that students must take. You must take 4 credits in English, 4 credits in math, 3 credits in science. Social studies, there are 3 credits. Physical science, 1 credit. World language, 2 credits. Advanced writing, 1 credit. We're going to talk about that briefly. Fine arts, 1 credit. And for electives, you must take 5 credits. Either way, this here equates to 25 credits, but but you basically need 24 credits to graduate, right? For students that are doing the advanced plus diploma, they would do the 26 credits. It's pretty much that simple. Now, for the general advanced and advanced plus diploma tracks, all of these diploma tracks are college ready. Let's start by taking a look at our certificate track. On the certificate track, students are required to complete 24 credits, all required core classes, which is up here, and complete all requirements on their IEPs. Now, for the students in the certificate program, they are exempt from the advanced writing course because this tends to be a very rigorous course for students in the certificate programs, okay? Most often, the certificate program have students that are exceptional and unable to meet the demands of the advanced writing course. So they would take a standard writing course. For the diploma, the general diploma track, let's take a look at that. These students also have to acquire 24 credits in order to graduate. They must complete all of the core classes, which are these classes up here, 2 years of language, and pass a writing exam at the end of their 4 years. At the end of every semester, there are regular, exams that they have, EOCs or end of course exams. But at the end of 4 years, you take a writing test in order to graduate. For the 2-year language, students can take this and still get a general diploma, or I should say, student can decide not to take this and still get a general diploma. However, if you choose to take 2 electives here instead of the language, that's extremely encouraged by our institution to complete, then you're going to find that it's more difficult to get into universities. But let's just say you're not planning on attending a university for whatever reason, then you can go ahead and finish this without the 2 years language. But the majority of universities today, whether you're in Hong Kong, whether you're in the USA, whether you're in Germany, or just about any country you go to, they want you to have 2 years of language. And if you really think about it, in the job market today, often you meet people that speak other languages, and it's important for communication. And as you know, we're part of the 4 C's. So this is definitely a 2-year requirement that we encourage. Now let's take a look at the advanced diploma. At the advanced diploma level, you're looking at completing 24 credits as well, all required core classes, 2 years of language, that's a must. There's no ifs or buts about that. That's definitely a must. You have to have some AP courses, and you will sit with your advisor to decide which ones, and should you decide to take this track. You have to pass the writing exam at the end of the 4 years, and then you must complete a research paper. Now, this writing class here that are required for students, this is a one-year class, which is why it's half a credit the first year, half a credit the second year, the second part or the second semester, and that's what equates to a full credit. When you take this class, this is going to teach you how to write research papers. So by the time you get to doing this project here at the end of your 4 years, you would have taken this class, you would have had ample practice, so then this here would be easy for you to complete. Additionally, you have the support of your admissions advisors, your teachers, your academic advisors, your parents. So you have teams that are working with you just to ensure that you know the process and what to do. Plus, you get instructions on how to complete this and how to go about getting it done. Furthermore, the research paper, you're given this at the end of your junior year. So when you go on summer break at the end of your junior year, you will be given, your topic will be chosen, which comes from you. You choose your own topic, but the guidelines for your topic, that will be given to you, you know, like page format, for example. Those are really important. Anyway, you get a full written guided instruction, that booklet actually, that tells you how to complete this. Plus, you meet with your teacher periodically on your research paper. Now let's take a look at the Advanced Plus Diploma. These students are like extremely ambitious, so they're going to take the 26 credits. They're also required to complete all of the required courses, the core courses, which are up here. They're completing all of that. 2 years of language. They would take AP or dual enrollment, or they can do both. Usually students in the Advanced Plus Diploma track would do AP courses. Some of them do AP and dual enrollment. They have to complete the advanced writing right here, credit. And on top of that, they have to do a capstone project. Now, the capstone project is a little bit more intense than the research paper, okay? The research paper, that's a good project. You're passing and you're completing a project that shows that, you know how to write, you know how to research, you know how to communicate, you know how to collaborate. This capstone project literally takes it like a step further. So anything colleges would need to know regarding students, if you can finish a capstone project, chances are you're well college ready, and you do get a credit for this, by the way. Also, because this is a real vigorous course right here. This project is extremely vigorous. So yes, that's it for the Advanced Plus Diploma. Again, when you take the writing course, it's going to teach you how to do APA papers, MLA paper, which is what you're expected to do when you go to universities. Also on the advanced diploma track, you also learn how to do APA or MLA style paper. And these are authentic research style papers that you are expected to know how to do when you go to university. So you will start at Isilda, however, writing starts in middle school. So by the time you get to high school, you have a lot of this down, but it just becomes more intense. You're doing it more on a professional level when you get to the advanced diploma and the Advanced Plus Diploma. But our students learn writing skills, research skills, all that is a part of the writing program. And that's a part of the 4 R's, which are, critical thinking, collaboration, communication, and so forth. So basically, you want to just enroll as a general diploma student, and then that gives yourself some time to decide which way you want to go. Whether you go into stay in the general diploma track, or go to advanced diploma, or do the Advanced Plus Diploma. But you will have your school advisor or your academic advisor to work with you and your parents and decide which track is better. And you are often encouraged to, stay in contact with them so you know what's going on. And they do a credit check for you every year so they know what track you're on and, how close you are to graduation, whether you're going for the 24 credits or the 26 credit. And that's about it. Basically, those are the Isilda International Virtual Academy course in graduation requirements. Thank you for being interested.